What's up, baddies? My name is JaiDoesIt, and we're going to be doing a spring makeup look with glossy lids. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. I've already crimped, styled my wig, so we're just going to apply it first. So to lay my lace down, I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue spray. And I'm blow drying this on warm so that it gets set. And then to lay my baby hairs down, I'm going to be using my LIDS. Elastic band soap, and now I'm going to wrap it with my elastic band as I do my makeup. So first I'm going to start off with moisturizing with my CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Next, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Hydrate and Blur Face Primer. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 370. To contour, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and this is in the shade Congo. So to highlight, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Olive. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter shade, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and this is in the shade Tan. So to set those areas that I just concealed, I'm going to be using my Morphe Bake and Set Translucent Powder. So next, I'm going to set those areas I contoured with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. So for my blush, I'm using my Milani Baked Powder Blush, and this is in the shade Cocoa Felicita. So for my brows, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Lock On Liner, and this is in the shade Espresso. So I'm going to clean up under my brows with my Maybelline concealer that I used earlier. And now I'm just going to blend that out. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going into my Morphe 3502 palette. I didn't put the names to the shades on here. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here on my lid. So the next shade I'm going into is right here, and I'm going to put that on my crease. So on my lid, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Free Reign. So now I'm just going to dust away all that extra powder. And I'm just going back in with those two shades on my lash line. I'm going to line my waterline with my LA Girl Glide On Pencil. I think that's what it's called. And this is in the shade Very Black. So I'm going to line the top of my eye with my eyeliner. This is from Essence, and this is their Super Precise eyeliner, and this is black also. Oh, I was not supposed to do a wing. So for my mascara, I'm going to be using my Morphe, what is it called? My Morphe Make It Big mascara. So to set my face, I'm going to be using my Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last setting spray. This is in the scent Mango Coconut. So for my lashes, I'm going to be using my Morphe Premium Lashes, and this is in the style Yes Queen. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Highlighter in Rose Italia. So for my lids, I'm going to be using my Morphe 2 Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss, and this is basically clear. I'm just going to put this on my lid to give it that glossy look. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to line my lips with my Nicka K cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Sable. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Bittersweet. And then I'm going to top that off with my Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the shade Ruby. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Let me know if you're going to try this out down below. And until next time, baddies.